Dinosaurs. The very word conjures images of colossal creatures too fantastical to be real. These magnificent beings with their towering necks and massive tails have captured our imaginations for generations. From the towering Brachiosaurus to the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, dinosaurs have become a symbol of a world long lost to time. Their sheer size and diversity have fascinated scientists and enthusiasts alike, leading to countless studies and reconstructions. Towering behemoths with thunderous footsteps, ruling a world long gone. Their presence is felt in every corner of our culture, from movies and books to museum exhibits and children's toys. But what if everything we know about these prehistoric giants is based on a series of misconceptions? What if the stories we've been told are more fiction than fact, and the real history of these creatures is far more complex? But what if these prehistoric giants were nothing more than elaborate hoaxes? Could it be that the fossils we have come to accept as evidence of their existence are nothing more than clever fabrications? Throughout history, there have been numerous instances of scientific fraud and misinterpretation, leading some to question the authenticity of dinosaur fossils. Could the evidence be misleading? Could the bones and fossils that fill our museums be the result of overactive imaginations and a desire to believe in something extraordinary? The process of fossilization is rare and complex, and the interpretation of these remains can sometimes lead to errors or exaggerations. Is it possible that these magnificent beasts never actually existed? Could the entire narrative of dinosaurs be a grand illusion, a story told to captivate and entertain? The idea may seem far-fetched, but it raises important questions about the nature of scientific discovery and the human desire for wonder.
The idea seems almost ludicrous, yet whispers of doubt persist. Despite the overwhelming evidence presented by the scientific community, there are those who remain unconvinced. Skeptics argue that the fossil record is incomplete and that many reconstructions are based on limited data. Some claim the fossils are fabricated, elaborate hoaxes designed to deceive. They argue that the bones are nothing more than cleverly constructed replicas created to support a false narrative. This perspective, while controversial, highlights the importance of critical thinking and skepticism in scientific inquiry. Others believe dinosaurs were real, but not as science describes them. They suggest that the creatures we envision are based on misinterpretations, and that the true nature of these ancient beings is far different from what we've been led to believe. This view encourages us to consider alternative theories and remain open to new interpretations. They envision a different prehistoric world, one at odds with the accepted narrative. A world where the creatures that roamed the earth were not the dinosaurs we know, but something entirely different. This speculative approach invites us to explore the unknown and question established beliefs.
This skepticism, while understandable, often stems from a misunderstanding of scientific processes. The study of dinosaurs is a complex and ever-evolving field, one that requires a deep understanding of geology, biology, and paleontology. Scientists must carefully analyze evidence and remain open to new discoveries that may challenge existing theories. The study of dinosaurs, like any scientific discipline, is built on rigorous methodology, constant scrutiny, and a willingness to adapt to new discoveries. Scientists use a variety of techniques to uncover the truth, from carbon dating to advanced imaging technology. These methods help to build a more accurate picture of the past, and a willingness to adapt to new discoveries. Each new fossil, each new piece of evidence adds to our understanding of these incredible creatures and the world they inhabited. The field of paleontology is dynamic, with new findings constantly reshaping our knowledge.
In this exploration, we delve into the fascinating world of dinosaurs, examining the compelling evidence that supports their existence. We will look at the fossils, the bones, and the scientific methods used to study them. By understanding the processes behind these discoveries, we can better appreciate the complexity and wonder of the prehistoric world, examining the compelling evidence that supports their existence. We will also address the myths and misconceptions that have arisen over the years, separating fact from fiction. By debunking these myths, we aim to provide a clearer and more accurate understanding of these ancient creatures, and debunking the myths that surround them. Join us as we journey back in time to uncover the truth about these incredible creatures and their place in Earth's history. We will explore the latest discoveries and the ongoing debates that continue to shape our understanding of the prehistoric world. This journey will take us through the latest research and the most intriguing questions in the field, and their place in Earth's history. Through this journey, we hope to shed light on the mysteries of the past and inspire a deeper appreciation for the wonders of our natural world. By exploring the history of dinosaurs, we can gain insights into the processes that have shaped life on Earth and the ongoing quest for knowledge. The most compelling evidence for the existence of dinosaurs lies buried within the Earth itself, fossils. These ancient remnants, preserved over millions of years, offer us a direct window into a world long gone. They are the silent storytellers of an era when gigantic creatures roamed the planet, providing invaluable insights into the biodiversity and ecological dynamics of prehistoric times. These petrified remains, often found encased in rock layers millions of years old, provide a tangible link to a prehistoric past. Each fossil, whether it be a bone, a tooth, or even a footprint, holds within it a wealth of information waiting to be deciphered. The study of these fossils allows scientists to reconstruct ancient ecosystems and understand the evolutionary history of life on Earth. But fossils are more than just curiosities. They are intricate puzzles that, when pieced together, reveal astonishing details about these ancient creatures. The process of assembling these puzzles requires meticulous effort and a deep understanding of both geology and biology. This interdisciplinary approach helps to uncover the behaviors, diets, and habitats of these long-extinct animals.
From towering femurs to delicate skull fragments, each fossil tells a story. These stories are not just about the dinosaurs themselves, but also about the environment they lived in, the challenges they faced, and the evolutionary paths they took. By studying these fossils, scientists can infer climate conditions, vegetation types, and even the presence of other species that coexisted with dinosaurs. Paleontologists, like detectives dusting for fingerprints, meticulously excavate and analyze these remnants. Their work often involves painstakingly removing rock and debris to reveal the hidden treasures within. In the lab, these fossils are cleaned, studied, and cataloged, each step bringing us closer to understanding the past. This detailed analysis can reveal growth patterns, diseases, and even injuries that dinosaurs sustained during their lives. By examining their size, shape, and structure, scientists can determine a dinosaur's size, weight, diet, and even its movement patterns. This analysis helps to reconstruct not just the physical appearance of these creatures, but also their behavior and interactions with their environment. For instance, the study of muscle attachment sites on bones can provide clues about a dinosaur's strength and agility.
Take, for example, the iconic Tyrannosaurus rex. This formidable predator, with its massive skull and powerful jaws, has captured the imagination of people around the world. Its fossilized remains have been studied extensively, revealing not only its physical characteristics, but also its hunting strategies and social behavior. Its massive skull, armed with serrated teeth the size of bananas, clearly points to a fearsome predator. These teeth were perfectly adapted for slicing through flesh, indicating a diet that consisted primarily of other large animals. The wear patterns on these teeth can also provide insights into the feeding habits and prey preferences of the T-Rex. Conversely, the long neck and leaf-shaped teeth of the Brachiosaurus are telltale signs of a herbivore that grazed on towering vegetation. This gentle giant would have used its long neck to reach the high branches of trees, feeding on leaves and other plant material. The structure of its teeth and jaw suggests a diet that required extensive chewing and processing of tough plant fibers.
These skeletal structures are not mere conjecture. They are the result of rigorous scientific study and analysis. Each bone is carefully measured and compared to known specimens, allowing scientists to build accurate models of these ancient creatures. These models are then used to test hypotheses about dinosaur physiology and behavior. They are grounded in comparative anatomy, a field that draws parallels between extinct animals and their living relatives. By comparing the bones of dinosaurs to those of modern animals, scientists can make educated guesses about how these ancient creatures lived and moved. This comparative approach also helps to identify evolutionary trends and adaptations that have persisted through time. The similarities between dinosaur skeletons and those of modern birds, crocodiles, and lizards provide further evidence of their evolutionary lineage. These comparisons help to fill in the gaps in our knowledge, painting a more complete picture of the past. For example, the discovery of feathered dinosaur fossils has revolutionized our understanding of the evolution of birds. The evolutionary connections between dinosaurs and modern animals are a testament to the enduring legacy of these prehistoric titans. Through the study of fossils, we continue to uncover the secrets of their world, gaining insights that enrich our understanding of life's history on Earth. This ongoing research not only sheds light on the past, but also informs our understanding of current biodiversity and conservation efforts.
The discovery and analysis of fossils is a meticulous process, far removed from the romanticized image of adventurous paleontologists stumbling upon complete skeletons. Instead, it involves a combination of fieldwork, laboratory analysis, and a deep understanding of geology and biology. It often involves years of painstaking work, from meticulous excavation to intricate laboratory analysis. Each step requires precision and patience, as even the smallest mistake can damage invaluable specimens.
Paleontologists don't just dig randomly hoping to find fossils. They spend considerable time planning and researching, using various tools and techniques to increase their chances of success. They rely on geological surveys and satellite imagery to identify potential fossil beds, analyzing the terrain and rock formations to pinpoint the most promising locations. Areas where sedimentary rock layers might hold the preserved remains of ancient life are particularly valuable, as these rocks can provide a wealth of information about the Earth's history. Once a site is identified, the real work begins. Excavation is a slow and careful process, often taking months or even years to complete.
Using delicate tools, paleontologists carefully remove the fossils from the surrounding rock, often encased in plaster jackets for protection. This ensures that the fossils remain intact during transport. These fragile remains are then transported to laboratories where they undergo further cleaning and preparation. This stage is crucial for revealing the finer details of the fossils.
In the lab, scientists use a variety of techniques to study the fossils. Each method provides different insights, helping to build a comprehensive picture of the ancient creatures. X-rays and CT scans reveal internal structures, allowing scientists to see inside the fossils without damaging them. This non-invasive approach is essential for studying rare and delicate specimens. While microscopic analysis can identify preserved tissues like blood vessels and collagen, providing clues about the biology and physiology of the dinosaurs. By comparing these structures to those of living animals, scientists can learn about dinosaur physiology and evolution. This comparative approach helps to place dinosaurs within the broader context of life's history on Earth.
Despite the overwhelming evidence supporting the existence of dinosaurs, conspiracy theories persist. These theories often capture the imagination of the public, offering an alternative narrative that seems more thrilling or mysterious than the scientific consensus. They thrive on the allure of the unknown and the excitement of challenging established knowledge.
Some claim that fossils are elaborate hoaxes planted by museums or governments to mislead the public. This idea, while captivating, overlooks the extensive and rigorous processes involved in fossil discovery and verification. Paleontologists undergo years of training and use sophisticated technology to authenticate fossils, ensuring their legitimacy. Others believe that dinosaurs were real, but lived much more recently than science suggests, coexisting with humans. This theory often stems from misinterpretations of historical texts or artifacts. Proponents of this idea frequently cite ancient art or folklore, but these sources lack the scientific rigor needed to support such claims.
These theories, while intriguing, crumble under scientific scrutiny. The methods used to date fossils and the geological layers in which they are found are highly reliable and have been refined over decades. Techniques like radiometric dating and stratigraphy provide consistent and accurate timelines for the existence of dinosaurs. The sheer number of fossils discovered worldwide, spanning hundreds of millions of years, makes the idea of a global hoax implausible. Each fossil discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of Earth's history, creating a coherent and consistent timeline. The diversity of fossil sites and the variety of species found further reinforce the authenticity of these findings.
Moreover, many fossils are found by amateur enthusiasts, not just professional paleontologists, further discrediting the notion of a coordinated deception. These discoveries often occur in remote and varied locations, making a global conspiracy even less feasible. The involvement of citizen scientists in fossil hunting adds an additional layer of credibility to the findings.
The claim of recent coexistence with humans is equally flawed. Historical and archaeological records show no evidence of human-dinosaur interaction. Ancient human remains and artifacts are found in much younger geological layers than those containing dinosaur fossils. Radiometric dating, a reliable technique used to determine the age of rocks and fossils, consistently places dinosaurs millions of years before the appearance of Homo sapiens. This method has been cross-verified with other dating techniques, ensuring its accuracy. The consistency of these results across different methods and samples strengthens the validity of the timeline.
These conspiracy theories often stem from a distrust of scientific institutions or a desire for a more fantastical version of history. They can be fueled by misinformation or a lack of understanding of scientific principles. The spread of these theories is often exacerbated by social media and other platforms that allow for the rapid dissemination of unverified information. However, it's crucial to remember that science is based on evidence, not speculation. The scientific method involves rigorous testing, peer review and replication of results to build a reliable body of knowledge. This process ensures that scientific conclusions are well supported and continually refined as new evidence emerges.
Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and in the case of dinosaurs, the evidence overwhelmingly supports their existence as prehistoric creatures. The fossil record, combined with modern dating techniques, paints a clear picture of a world long before humans, dominated by these magnificent creatures. The detailed study of these fossils has provided invaluable insights into the biology, behavior, and evolution of dinosaurs.
While it's important to address and debunk conspiracy theories, it's equally crucial to recognize the role of skepticism in scientific progress. Skepticism encourages critical thinking and helps prevent the acceptance of false information, ensuring that only well-supported theories gain traction.
True skepticism, however, is not about blind denial. It's about questioning assumptions, demanding evidence, and being open to revising our understanding based on new information. This approach fosters a more robust and resilient scientific community capable of adapting to new discoveries.
Science is not about dogma. It's a continuous process of discovery. Each new piece of evidence can potentially alter our understanding, making science a dynamic and ever-evolving field. New findings often challenge existing theories, leading to refinements or even paradigm shifts in our understanding. This iterative process is fundamental to scientific advancement, ensuring that our knowledge base is constantly updated and improved.
This constant evolution is what makes science so dynamic and exciting. The thrill of discovery and the potential for groundbreaking revelations keep scientists motivated and engaged in their work. In the study of dinosaurs, for example, our knowledge is constantly evolving. Each new fossil discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, helping us build a more complete picture of these ancient creatures. New fossil discoveries, technological advancements, and interdisciplinary research continually reshape our understanding of these fascinating creatures. Techniques like CT scanning and 3D modeling allow us to explore fossils in unprecedented detail.
Skepticism, when applied constructively, drives scientific progress. It pushes researchers to question their findings, seek out new perspectives, and rigorously test their hypotheses. It encourages scientists to refine their methods, seek out new evidence, and engage in rigorous debate. This process helps to eliminate biases and ensures that conclusions are based on solid evidence.
This open exchange of ideas is essential for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of scientific knowledge. Collaboration and communication among scientists from different fields lead to more comprehensive and accurate conclusions. A GAP 3S. As we look to the future, the field of paleontology promises even more thrilling discoveries, with each new find potentially rewriting our understanding of prehistoric life. With advancements in technology such as 3D imaging, molecular analysis, and artificial intelligence, scientists are now able to delve deeper into the past, revealing intricate details about ancient organisms and their ecosystems. These cutting-edge tools enable researchers to uncover details about prehistoric life that were previously unimaginable, from the cellular structure of fossils to the genetic makeup of long-extinct species. These tools allow us to reconstruct the appearance, behavior, and even the environments of ancient species with unprecedented accuracy, providing a more vivid and accurate picture of the past. Moreover, interdisciplinary collaboration is becoming increasingly vital, as it brings together diverse expertise to tackle complex questions about our planet's history. By integrating knowledge from geology, biology, chemistry, and even computer science, paleontologists are painting a more comprehensive picture of the past, bridging gaps between different scientific disciplines. This multidisciplinary approach not only deepens our understanding, but also opens up new avenues for exploration and discovery, leading to breakthroughs that were once thought impossible. This holistic approach not only deepens our understanding, but also opens up new avenues for exploration and discovery, fostering innovation and collaboration across various fields. Equally exciting is the growing accessibility of paleontology. Citizen science projects and public fossil digs are engaging the public in meaningful scientific research. Public databases are enabling enthusiasts and researchers alike to contribute to the field, democratizing access to scientific data and fostering a global community of amateur paleontologists. This democratization of science fosters a community of curious minds dedicated to uncovering the mysteries of our planet's history, encouraging lifelong learning and discovery. The journey of paleontology is far from over. Each new discovery, whether a tiny fossil fragment or a complete skeleton, adds to our understanding of life's history on Earth. Each new piece of evidence, no matter how small, contributes to the intricate puzzle of our planet's biological past, adds to the intricate puzzle of life's history on Earth, helping us piece together the story of evolution and extinction. As we continue to dig, analyze, and interpret, we uncover new chapters in the story of life, each one more fascinating than the last. We can look forward to many more revelations that will captivate our imaginations and expand our knowledge, pushing the boundaries of what we know about the ancient world. The future of paleontology is bright, filled with the promise of countless more stories waiting to be told and mysteries waiting to be solved. And it holds the promise of countless more stories waiting to be told, each one adding a new layer to our understanding of the prehistoric world. Together, through curiosity, skepticism, and collaboration, we will continue to explore the ancient past and unlock the secrets of the prehistoric world, ensuring that the legacy of paleontology endures for generations to come. We will continue to explore the ancient past and unlock the secrets of the prehistoric world, revealing the wonders of a time long gone but never forgotten.